My name is 𝐸𝐴𝐵 and I'm a rainbow chef in Foster City, California. The Rainbow Chef mission is to help our generation lead to a healthy eating lifestyle. And today, we are going to be making an egg salad that we can make anytime, after school, with friends, or even with family. It's such a great meal. For every recipe, I love to have my mise en place. Mise en place is a French word saying everything in place. And basically, those are your main ingredients that you'll be using for your recipe. So today we have 6 large eggs, some Greek yogurt, 2 chives, some fresh dill, salt, pepper, and mayonnaise. And last of all, we have some crackers to go along with the salad. Before we get started, I just want to say a few things about these babies. Today, I'm wearing gloves, and this prevents any germs from getting inside your food. And we all know that germs does not go in food. But before you put on any gloves or any supportive things to help you keep germs away from your food, make sure to wash your hands for 30 seconds with soap and warm water to wash away all those dirty things on your hands that you can't see. So the first thing we're going to do is start cubing our eggs. You're going to claw your egg to make sure you don't cut any of your fingers. So you're going to place down your egg, you're going to claw your fingers and slice down. Then you're going to place it flat so then there's no problem. You're going to cut down again, make sure you're still clawing your fingers, being very careful not to cut any of your body parts. And then you're gonna cut them one more time across. Eggs are also really good protein and help you grow, and they're really healthy for you. I'm now gonna teach you how to cut a proper thinly sliced chive. You're gonna take one and you're gonna cut off these little tips that you do not want. Be careful, again using the claw, and slice down. You're going to slice down again. And then start chopping very finely. Make sure you're using the claw again. I just finished cutting my chives and I'm going to sprinkle them over my egg. The next thing we will be cutting is this wonderful herb over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is start picking my herbs. So there are 2 ways to place your herbs into our wonderful meal. You can either pick and start sprinkling over your meal, or you could take little by little, if you like a fine chop, and use your knife, still using your claw, cutting very finely, and then sprinkling again over your meal. This is a non-fat Greek yogurt. It contains lots of probiotics and calcium. So we're going to put a 1/3 cup into our salad. I'm going to spoon a generous amount inside of our measuring spoons to get the good creaminess in our salad. Then I'm going to pour it right into our other ingredients. Next, I'm going to put in a little bit of mayonnaise. So we're going to put 1 teaspoon into our salad. So now I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. I'm not going to be too generous with this, but enough so I get the flavor. And I'm also going to put a pinch of pepper. These spices will help elevate the flavor of our salad. Then I'm going to quickly mix together all of our ingredients so they are well incorporated. Lightly fold so you don't ruin all that beautiful egg yolk. We're going to start assembling our sandwich. Look what we just made. This looks delicious and it is also very nutritious. So, thank you for watching my video and I hope to see you guys soon back on Rainbow Chef YouTube channel. Thank you!